Come test drive this 2012 Nissan Versa. This 4-door, 5-passenger hatchback has not yet reached the 100,000-kilometer mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.